So today I'll be sharing with you what's inside my bag. I have placed this Barbie iron sticker to make it into a Barbie bag. Hi, my name is AON and this is my bag love story. Welcome to another episode of Glam Pink and Girly Wednesday. So today I'll be sharing with you what's inside my bag, what's inside my Barbie bag. When I got this bag, this is a plain one. It doesn't have any brand. I just decided to place the press iron sticker with the Barbie logo to make this into a Barbie bag. But before I'll share with you what's inside my bag, what's inside my Barbie bag, let us first welcome my Barbie Alicia, will be joining us in our What's in My Bag video. Alicia is carrying two of my stickers, holographic stickers. I have here Artist Barbie and Designer Barbie. I still don't know where to place these stickers yet. Just in case you're interested in getting Barbie stickers like this with your profession on top or probably your name, I'll be linking the store where I got these stickers from. I'll be linking them below. So now let's start. On the outside of the bag, I have placed a charm that also serves as my security because this bag does have two zipper pulls. So two zipper pulls, you can put charm so that your bag will be safe. I got this charm from Shein, I believe. I'll be linking it below in case you're interested. The only thing that I added was this one that I received this as a freebie in one of my Barbie purchases before, and I think it would match in this keychain. It has this lipstick, bag, a lip, sunglasses, and the word peach. And I have replaced the hook. I think this would be sturdier than the ones that was included in this chain that also has the keyring, but I don't need the keyring, so I just replaced the hook. So this is the first accessory that I really love. It's very Barbie. So this is a coin pouch, but I put my earbuds in this one. So on the inside, I carry some tissues. And I have placed this Ipsy pouch that is in the houndstooth pattern. I really love that the inside of this one is also pink. And I use this currently as my pencil case. And at the back, I carry my recent purchase, my Kate Spade thin wallet, which is called the Sweetheart. This is my favorite wallet at the moment. I have here some of my cards, and on the inside I have some cash and some receipts. And then I brought my thin key case. I've designed this key case and I call it Yuna because I can't see anything like this that is very thin that I can place in any of my bags, and also very shiny so that I can easily see it inside my bag. Then I have here, I currently place this one, very Barbie. This is a mini sewing kit from Daiso. Here, some Barbie gummy mix, vitamin C. And then I have here a pen, Barbie LV. And then I have here a lip. This is very cute. I think I saw this from Shein. I'll just link it below in case you're interested. A mirror and a brush. Then I have here, this is a Barbie brush from the company Colorkey. This is very smooth to the hair. I love this. I love using this. Then I have, this is a Barbie mirror. You can see that is a mirror on the other side. Very nice. I have bought a small umbrella. And then the bag has some zippers on the inside, and I currently have placed some of my napkins on the inside to hide it. And it does not come with another zipper part in this, but I currently don't have anything in that area. And then I have this. This is my mini catch-all, like a mini pochette style. This is a jelly bag. Looks like a messenger bag. This color, purple. I really love the color, so I grabbed it. It was a purchase from 2 years, I believe. So this is my mini pochette. I have here another fruit snack from Welsh. And I have here a pink Tic Tac. And I have here small lip tint from Dear Self Beauty. I always bring this small things, chapstick for headache and some insect bites. And then a few more things inside. I have here the pin for my SIM, some emergency medicines, and my Angel's medallion, Saint Raphael. And the last thing inside, a band-aid. That's a band-aid and thermometer in this very cute mini pouch that is also very Barbie. This reminds me of Barbie's bag. And the last thing inside my bag is a Cakeworthy Barbie card holder. On this side, it looks like a credit card. You can see that there's logo of Barbie and some numbers. Very, very cute and beautiful design. Pink glitters. So on the other side are 3 card slots. So I remove my cards for you to see the inside of the card holder. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It has some Barbie logos on the inside. So this has this tag right here because this is a collaboration between Barbie and Cakeworthy. I'll be happy to link this very beautiful card holder in my description box below, and I'll also have some discount codes for you. I'll be putting it below in case you're interested in getting this Barbie card holder from Cakeworthy. They also have a lot of beautiful things in there. I'm planning to get the passport holder and also the bag that looks like the Barbie doll's box, like a tote bag. In case you're interested, there are other brands that they cater. They also have different beautiful designs and unique designs. The Polly Pocket, I really want to get that as well. So please check out Cakeworthy, and I have a discount code for you in case you're interested to buy any of their very beautiful designs. So this has been another episode of Glamping and Girly Wednesday. I really hope you all enjoyed. So if you love beautiful, yet affordable luxury bag alternatives that are simple and classy, glamping and girly, and some fun kawaii finds, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Please always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time!